Pooja Miss, we have known each other for so many years now, and I can say that you are such a fun person to be with. I admire your energy, your enthusiasm, your beautiful smile, and your filmy style, and your great sense of humor. You are the Jaan of this staff room. And so keep smiling, keep laughing, and keep making us laugh. May all your dreams come true. So, Pooja Miss, this is for you. चांद तारे तोड़ लाए सारी दुनिया पर तू छाए बस
इतना सा ख्वाब है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है.
Many happy returns of the day to you, Pooja Miss. The best thing I like is that I am your mentee and I'm so inspired by you because you are a rock star. And the one song that I would like to dedicate to you is Dil to pagal hai, dil deewana hai, dil to pagal hai, dil deewana hai. Love you.
Hey, happy birthday! Have a great year full of positivity and happiness. And stay happy always. Well, इस लड़की के बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं जो अपनी ही इतनी फेवरेट है. वैसे होना तो है because we all love your energy, your enthusiasm, your high spirits, and not to forget the way you keep us entertained with all the Bollywood dhamaka, the songs, and by imitating the actors. Yes, love you. Have a nice day. And the song for you is मैं ख्वाबों की शहजादी, मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई, बादल है मेरी जुल्फे, बिजली मेरी अंगड़ाई, बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई, बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई, कहते हैं मुझको हवा हवाई, हवा हवाई.
Wishing you many happy returns of the day, Pooja Miss. Have a great year ahead filled with happiness, health, wealth and good luck. May all your wishes come true. Enjoy your day and love you loads. Happy birthday once again. What I love the most about you, there are quite a lot of things, but yes, I love your smile, I love your vibrant nature, and I love the way you dance your heart out. You're a very good dance teacher and a very good teacher as well. I love the way you do your voice modulation, and especially when you do the story narration. That's something that, even teachers enjoy when you narrate a story. So you're that good. And yes, there are quite a lot of things I need to learn from you, but just love the way you are. Love you. Hi Pooja Miss, this is a very happy song, and yes, you're a very happy-go-lucky girl, so this song is very apt for you. Please do listen to the whole song, but just a bit for you right now.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Pooja. May life lead you to great happiness, success, and hope that all your wishes come true. Enjoy your day. Loads of love. God bless you. Hi Pooja, what I like about you is your impressive nature, your good humor, your quality of always willing to help others, and your out of the box ideas. Thank you so much for walking that extra mile and superbly organizing the innovative Antakshri today, which was so much fun. God bless you, dear, and wish you a very happy birthday. Bless you. Love you. बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू पूजा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू.
Happy birthday, Pooja! Wishing you a bright and sparkly birthday. May you get all that you love, desire, aspire, and abundance. And all that love and happiness that you spread around, may it come back to you in triple folds. Love you. Happy birthday. What do I like about you? I like everything about you. I like that you are witty. I like that you are a beautiful soul. And you are the light in every dark room. I love you a lot. This one's for you, Pooja, जो अपनी favorite है. Mwah!
You're the best. You're the best.
You are best.
Pooja, God bless you. You make everybody laugh so much, and I just hope that you keep laughing all your life. Happy birthday, Pooja, once again. And there are many things that we admire about you, but for me, my favorite is the sonam you do. Nobody does Sonam Kapoor like you.
जब तुम चाहो पास आते हो, जब तुम चाहो दूर जाते हो, चलती हमेशा मर्जी तुम्हारी, कहते हो फिर भी प्यार करते हो. सैया तू कमाल का, बातें भी कमाल की, सैया तू कमाल का, बातें भी कमाल की.
Happy birthday, Pooja Miss. Wishing you life's best. Stay happy, stay blessed always. Her witty one-liners, her sense of humor, she's always ready to help, and she's someone who always ensures that the conversation is flowing. चले जैसे हवाएं सनन सनन, उड़े जैसे परिंदे गगन गगन, चाहे तितलियाँ जैसे चमन चमन, यूं ही घूमूं मैं भी मगन मगन. हो हो हे हे.
कसं काय? बरं ना? अरे बरं असणारच. Because it is your birthday. Happy birthday, Pooja Miss. And may you get lots and lots of good wishes, good treats, because it is your big day. Have fun.
What do I like about her? She's jovial, she's intelligent, she's creative, she's extremely witty, and above all, she's the most sweetest and the most liveliest person of our group. Love you. For my Snapchat buddy Pooja Miss, this song is for you. कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम. Happy birthday to the most beautiful soul I know. Love you.
After 100 take. Hi Simon, wish you a very happy birthday. Have an amazing day, an awesome year ahead. I wish that you don't change at all because we love you the way you are. You're cheerful, entertaining, attractive nature. Not attractive nature, sorry. I meant cheerful, attractive, funny nature is what attracts you. Attracts us to you. Okay. Okay, I want to share this blooper only, so I will continue. Yeah, I said that just be the way you are, and I also wanted to share that I hope that this COVID gets better, so we get to meet you and listen to all your funny stories, and so you can also go and enjoy your weekend movies and your buffet meals with your family. And we can't wait to hear all your stories. So yeah, finger crossed. See you soon. Have an amazing day and an amazing time until then. Take care. So there are many things to like about you, and I'm sure you must have already heard the bhandar of appreciation videos by now. So let me make this a little different. If you weren't a teacher, you could have become a mimicry artist, or you could have become a stand-up comedian, or a host, or a dubbing artist. And you have amazing memory, by the way. I know. And I agree with your daddy when he says that had you put it in the correct area, you would have become a PhD by now. But नहीं, अपने को तो songs याद रखने ना Bollywood के जो अपनी मम्मी को भी नहीं याद है. So yeah, you have memory, but in other areas. And of course, you are very creative, and you could have also become an event planner, I would say, since you are very good at organizing and planning and creating videos and invites for everybody. So which is great. And yeah, in future, if you opt for any of these professions, courtesy, give it to me, okay? Thank you. So the song for you is चढ़ी मुझे यारी तेरी ऐसी जैसे दारू देसी, खटी मीठी बातें हैं नशे सी जैसे दारू देसी.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Pooja. Lots and lots of love and good wishes to you. May all your dreams come true. And looking forward to meeting you very, very, very soon. Mwah. Hi, Pooja. I want you to know that I adore you for a lot of things. Your wittiness, your sense of humor, your always be there spirit, and our late night talks. You are like that one person who understands me, I think, more than anyone else. And our conversations about angels and gods and all those things which I don't think anyone else ever relates to, and whom I can talk to as much as I can talk to you about these things. And on your birthday, I just want to tell you that you are really, really, really very special to me. Lots and lots of love.
के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा, किसी के हाथ में हीरा, किसी के कान में हीरा. मुझे हीरे से मतलब क्या, मेरा तो यार है हीरा. यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया, यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया. 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, बिलियन बार शुक्रिया. तुम जैसे बेवड़ों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम जैसे बेवड़ों का सहारा है दोस्तों. ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मरा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मरा है दोस्तों.